Comparisons are essential when it comes to buying wigs. We can see the similarities and differences and get a lot of perspective on a wig style if we're looking at making that purchase. Might make it just a little bit easier for you. Today we're going to check out two mid-length wavy styles by Raquel Welch. One among them are one of my favorites for a very long time. This is the Editor's Pick Elite in the color Shaded Biscuit. This was some wedding hair last year. I wore it on my son's, well, it's going to be 2 years ago now. I wore it to my son's wedding weekend and was just completely happy with it. And then we have the Director's Pick, brand new for 2024. Very, very similar style. In all honesty, I could wear these two interchangeably. I don't think anybody would really notice the difference. Now, both of them are in the Shaded Biscuit color, but I am seeing some variance in this color. So it looks like there is more of a dimension, a little more sandy tones in the Editor's Pick Elite version of the Shaded Biscuit. Sometimes I don't know until I see the footage. So this one just seems to be a little less dynamic, a little more toned down. We're going to see in our side-by-side. Another big difference is going to come in the cap. So it's not a huge difference. They're both hand-tied caps. But on the Director's Pick, you have that luxe-like cap, which features the extended lace front, left monofilament side part, hand-tied panels all around, some silicone on the ear tab and the nape, which can be removed. Extremely natural looking and very comfortable. They say this is a petite average fit, although I find it to be more average. It does fit me a little better compared to the Legacy Raquel Welch though. This is a little more average than it is for large. Now on the Editor's Pick Elite, this one features a lace front and full monofilament top and then some hand-tied panels. They both have a little bit of integrated wefting right at the back to give some stability and strength to the cap. Both very lovely. I really can't tell the difference, although I think I get a little bit of a better fit with the Director's Pick as opposed to the Editor's Pick Elite, which has more of a classic Raquel Welch fit for me. Looking at measurements, so we're looking at about a 5 to 5.5 inch piece on the Director's Pick, and it's about 4.5 inches on the Editor's Pick Elite, okay? I also think that the curl is a little bigger, rounder, and a little more loose on the Director's Pick, and just a little choppier and deconstructed on the Editor's Pick. So that's it, guys. There's really not much difference at all. Let's cut to a side-by-side of these styles. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you soon, right back here at TAZS Wig Closet.